Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add colored borders in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I add all this cell of colored borders in Excel. At first, you have to select a cell to click on your left button on your mouse, then drag on your mouse to select this all cell, then right click on this selected cell. Now you can see here are a format cells option, then you can see here are a borders option. Now we can change the border style, then we can choose a color to on this border. I can choose green color, then click this borders option, then press OK. Now you can see I add a colored borders in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.